Tape's incredible weather-resistant properties have been underestimated for centuries. Scientists have long sought to understand how tape withstands extreme temperatures. From scorching deserts to freezing tundras, tape has been a reliable companion. But what makes tape so resilient to the elements? For centuries, people have wrapped tape around poles, pipes, and even themselves. It's a testament to the ingenuity of our ancestors, who valued tape's practicality. Yet, few know about the fascinating science behind tape's weather-resistant abilities. Tape's molecular structure is the key to its remarkable durability. Imagine a thin layer of polymer chains, arranged in a precise pattern. These chains are incredibly flexible, allowing tape to stretch and conform to surfaces. But when exposed to extreme temperatures, the polymer chains undergo a dramatic transformation. They stiffen, becoming more rigid and resistant to deformation. This process, known as cross-linking, is the reason tape remains intact in harsh weather conditions. But that's not the only factor at play. Tape's adhesive properties also play a crucial role in its weather resistance. The adhesive molecules, known as polymers, form strong bonds with the surface they're applied to. This creates a seal that prevents moisture and air from penetrating the tape. But how does tape maintain its adhesive properties in extreme temperatures? The answer lies in the clever design of the adhesive molecules themselves. They're able to rearrange their structure in response to changes in temperature. This allows the adhesive to maintain its strength, even in the face of extreme conditions. But wait until you hear what happens when tape is exposed to high levels of radiation. Phenomenon that's both polymer chains in tape fascinating and undergo a unsettling.
In the presence of radiation, the polymer chains in tape undergo a process called degradation.
The chains begin to break down, losing their strength and flexibility. This can have serious consequences for the tape's durability and performance. Yet, researchers have discovered a way to mitigate this effect. By adding special additives to the tape, they can enhance its resistance to radiation. These additives, known as stabilizers, help to protect the polymer chains from degradation. But how do these additives work their magic? The answer lies in their ability to absorb and dissipate radiation energy. This energy is then transferred to the surrounding environment rather than the polymer chains. The result is a tape that's more resistant to radiation and extreme temperatures. And that's not all. Tape has another surprising property: its ability to conduct electricity, making it a valuable material in the field of electronics. But what makes tape so conductive? The answer lies in its unique molecular structure. The polymer chains in tape are able to conduct electricity due to their ability to move freely. This allows the chains to carry electrical charges, making tape a useful material in various applications. But how does tape's conductivity compare to other materials? Researchers have discovered that tape's conductivity is surprisingly high. In fact, it's comparable to that of other conductive materials, such as copper and silver. This makes tape a valuable material in the development of new technologies. But what about the environmental impact of tape? Researchers have discovered that tape can have a significant impact on the environment. When disposed of improperly, tape can contribute to pollution and harm wildlife. But what about the alternatives to traditional tape? Researchers have discovered several options, including biodegradable tape and reusable tape. These alternatives offer a more sustainable solution to traditional tape. But how do these alternatives compare to traditional tape? Researchers have discovered that they offer several benefits, including reduced waste and lower costs. But what about the future of tape? Will it continue to play a vital role in our lives, or will it be replaced by newer technologies? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: tape will continue to amaze us with its incredible properties and uses. And that's a story worth exploring further. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.